This is the paper lantern. Lantern Festival is the traditional festival celebration. Is on the 15th of the first month for the Chinese lunar calendar. And this year is the year of the snake. And this paper lantern is made in Taiwan. In Taiwan, every year, according to the animal, they give out the lantern to free for the children to make their own paper lantern. And this one is given out by the LA Care. We're going to make the paper lantern. To make the paper lantern, you don't need any tool. Just follow the instruction step by step, and we'll take it out from this paper. Take it out the last pieces of the lantern from the paper. So slowly, be careful. We take them out from the paper, and this one is the head. That's the head, and this is the neck. That's the neck, and this is the base. That's the base, and this is the handle, lantern handle here, and this is the battery. We're going to do the head first, then the neck, then the base, and lantern handle and battery all put together. The tips to make a perfect lantern there are three things. First is the folded, according to folding line, so make it easier to make it. And second is they all have numbers, so follow number to fold it. And third is to take out the small piece of paper from the holes. And the holes, the purpose is have the light to come out from the lantern. From number 1 to 10, that's for the head. And then turn the eye a little bit. Number 11 and 12, that's for the neck. If it's hard to put it in, so what you do is you fold it a little bit and then squeeze in. Number 12, put it in. And once it's in, unfold it on the other side. Make it flat so it won't come out. For number 13 to 18, that's for the base. Now remember, when you do this, you gotta push it down, don't push it up. That's important. The rest of the number, that's for the connection. And this is the base. From 19 to 22, that's a connection between the neck and the base. And the insert, that's on the neck. And the hole, that's on the base. From number 23 to 25, that's the connection between the head and the neck. And the 23 to 25 on the head, that's the insert. And on the neck, that's the hose. Number 26, 29, that's for the handle and the string. And 26, 27, that's the handle. The handle is the diamond shape. And the string, 28, 29, that's connect the handle and the snake. 28 is connected to the handle, and 29 is connected to the snake. After complete the connection, the head, the neck, and the base, we're going to put in the battery. So take out the insulating sheet, we'll take it out and turn it on, and then upside down and put in the hole inside here. I complete the paper lanterns, and this is the year of the snake. Happy New Year and Happy Lantern Festival. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, subscribe the channel, press the bell button so you get notified when we update the channel. Please also follow us at IG and Facebook.